Hey my squad, you get down on Skullgirls? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Skullgirls which gives you unlimited money. So let me just show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we got Skullgirls right here, so I'm going to open it up. And as you can see, we are not exactly the richest players in the game, but when we press this button, we can actually go ahead and increase our Theonite. So I'm going to turn up the Theonite all the way to the moon. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, we got 1500 Theonite right there. So I'm hoping that this actually starts rising. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get this Skullgirls mod for your phone. So let's see if it... Oh my gosh, what's the heck? It is rising. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Skullgirls mod for your phone so you can get unlimited Theonite, guys, 2026. So let's get into the video. All right, my crew. First thing we're going to do is type in, I believe, tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and type in Skullgirls. So you're going to see it right here. So it says Skullgirls Fighting RPG. So go ahead and press install. And before this mod downloads, there's going to be a verification. This is where you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then the Skullgirls mod will be on your phone. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So we should be good to go, guys. So let's just give it a second for this to bring us to the next step, which is where we got to download the 2 apps, follow the instructions, and we're going to be good to go, guys. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, we got Travel Town, TikTok, Mode Casino. So this one's like reach level 9, right? So just press on it, press continue. Takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I reach level 9. So it's like a game. So that's all I got to do, guys. So make sure you do 2 of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get it for your device. So as you can see, guys, we got tons of apps in this page. Mode Casino. So anyway, guys, go to settings and make sure low power mode is off. And also, another thing is, let's head for the app store and let's type in Skullgirls just so I can show you guys how expensive it is. So as you can see, the game does not need to be installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version, but look how much everything costs. So this is wild, guys. I'm just genuinely amazed people fall for this shit. They actually spend their real hard-earned money on in-game purchases. But you know what, guys? We cannot default everyone. Everyone's different. So that's how you want to be, guys. I guess you're going to be that way forever. But I'm going to see you guys later. So that's how to get it for your device. So if you guys want to get money on Skullgirls, be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, guys, tell your friends about it because this is super cool. And it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super awesome. So if you guys are in the market for this type of stuff, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So yeah, I love Skullgirls, and having unlimited Theonite is so nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. Obviously the apps are going to vary depending on who you are, but they're generally pretty easy to do. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, my gang, if you guys want to get rich. But yeah, this is so awesome. Fully works, guys, 2026. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is so awesome. And I've tried lots of methods, so I'm not really the person to talk to. If you want to know about different methods, I only know about the best method. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, my crew. This is fully working, my gang.